Today we're making Play-Dough. So, ingredients we need for that is 2 cups of flour, warm water, 1 cup of salt, a bowl, oil, food coloring, optional, yes. So these are the ingredients we need to make Play-Dough. So further on, let's get started. First, let's take a bowl and pour in our flour. So I'm gonna get on the salt, and then take salt, pour all that in, and then salt. That's a lot of salt. And let's mix until salt is completely mixed with the flour. So I think it's mixed. So let's just put this aside and take a bowl and put warm water. How many spoons? So 4 spoons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Food coloring. I'm gonna choose yellow. I'm gonna choose red. I already chose my red. Okay. I'm gonna put. It's gonna be a little hard. About 4 drops. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, look at that. That's like so cool. So now let's mix. Look at that, like smudging. If you want, you can add a little more drops. Now this is red, all right. I'm gonna make one more. Wow. Cool. Look at this. There we go. That's cool. Now let's take our oil. Cool. This is so cool, guys. I really want to save some of this water. So I'm gonna put in 1. And mix. Okay, I don't really want to mess this up. Whoa, you can like literally see that bowl. Now it's like all the oil makes the Play-Dough last longer. So that's why we need to put in oil. Look at that, like it's like jelly. It looks like jelly, but it's not. This is just plain water oil. Let's take the bowl of flour and salt and put it in. Whoa, this is so cool, guys. It's like jelly. I really like it. I don't want to mix it with oil. Add 4 spoons. Okay, my turn. I'm sorry. It's fine. Be careful. You don't spill any. Okay, my turn. I'm just gonna see. Okay, I really love this water. I don't want to set up. But I have to make Play-Dough. Because I really want to make Play-Dough, but I really like the water. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's like a pyramid. So this is my 4th. Wow, I think this is gonna turn pink. Like you can see that pink. Wow, I really like my yellow. I think I'm gonna mix with my hand now. Mine turned pink again. Or not. I really love this. And put it. Don't want to miss this. And if you have a baby sister or brother and they touch this stuff, it's okay. And if they accidentally eat it, it's okay because this is not harmful. So I'm gonna take some flour and spread it on my table. And take my Play-Doh out. And Play-Doh. So just, I think mine's ready. Okay, looks so cool. It's like dark pink. So now I'm gonna take it out. Take this to a side and take a little flour. Now like spread it. Now I'm gonna take my Play-Doh out. This is like so I'm gonna knead it just like her. Not like pizza does, but it's not. I love this. Wow, this looks so cool. Now it's playtime. So I have a Play-Doh set guy. I've got black ears, and I'm gonna use it and try it out. So I'm gonna roll. Now I'm gonna make pizza. I'm gonna do this. So I have this pizza cutter that came with the Play-Doh set. See, Play-Doh. I'm gonna try to cut it really good. Okay, just gonna smooth that in. Okay, I'm just going to smooth that and cut it. Perfect. I can cut it this way now. And cut it this way. So you want to make it. Does anybody want some pizza? Oh, too much. Okay. So let's put this one in like this. And what you doing? Take it out. Whoa, that's like noodles. Look at that, it's like decorations coming out. Whoa. You really gotta put your might into it. I just left a pizza slice. Just in case. I'm gonna make a circle. Oh, that just bloated up like cake. That's like bloated up like strawberry cake. Okay, I'm gonna cut it out. And whoa, be careful. Okay, this cake is gonna come perfect with the pizza. That's like a macaron. Oh yeah, that's like a macaron. I don't want to mess this up. The cake's floating. And then the cake's out. And it messed up. It did explode. So kids, I really hope that you love this recipe to make Play-Doh. And hope you try it out. And if you want the measurements, they're on the description below. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Bye.